Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be going over how to find a winning product on Aliexpress. Now the first thing you need to pay attention to when looking for a winning product is the criteria that actually makes up a winning product. Now just because you found something on Aliexpress that looks good and is a bit interesting doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be a winning product. So there's different criteria that I like to look for when I'm trying to research products. And the first one is, does the product I'm looking at solve a problem? Because products that solve a problem are always in high demand. Everybody likes a product that's going to solve a pain point in their life, and that's something you need to be considering when you're looking at products. You might have found a fancy cat necklace online, but is that really going to solve someone's problem? Probably not. But if you found something that corrects someone's posture, you've probably seen the back braces, then that obviously solves a problem. So that would be more towards a winning product than the cat necklace, for example. So the second point is, does the product have a wow factor? Does it catch people's attention? Now, people have a very, very short attention span. So when they're scrolling through their feed, they need something on that video, on that picture that catches their attention. Something that makes them go, wow, that looks cool. Or wow, that's interesting. You need to stop people from scrolling to see your ad, because if they don't bother stopping and they don't see your ad, they never come into your store to buy the product. Another point that you need to consider is, does the product have a low availability? And what I mean by that is, can the product be bought in local stores or not? So you have to ask yourself, is the product you're trying to sell easy for your customer to just go to the local shop and pick up? If it is, then they're probably not going to buy it from you and wait 2 to 3 weeks for delivery. They're just going to go down to the store and pick it up themselves. So you need to find a product that solves a problem, has a wow factor, and is not easy to find locally. And the final point is, the product you're looking at needs a great margin. I tend to try and stick around a 3 times pricing rule. So if it costs me a £5 to buy, I'm selling it for 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into Aliexpress and show you a really specific method about how to find products that could be potential winners. So I'm just in my Aliexpress account right now, and what you need to do is you need to go to your My Aliexpress section, and within here you'll have something called the Dropshipping Center. Now what Aliexpress have done with this is they've listed a bunch of products that dropshippers are running around the world that are being successful and there's a high volume of orders against. And you can narrow this down into categories depending on which sort of niche you're looking at, what sort of themes you're looking at. So you've got all these different ones, so it really helps you drill down into the types of products you're looking to sell. You can just look at all categories like this, but again, if you're looking to narrow down, then you can go into this. So let's just pick one, for example. Let's just go with beauty and health or something. So as you can see, it starts to show you a bunch of different products that are doing really well now. Here are these posture correctors. Now I know these are a winning product. They're absolutely massive, and straight away on that first page there, you've seen something. It's got 26,000 orders, and if we just have a look at this product now, it's up to 27,500 orders, 4.7 out of 5. It's definitely a good product. And what you can do is you can take this URL, and if you go back to Aliexpress onto this page and go to product analysis, if you paste the URL into here and click search, it also shows you the number of orders today. And as you can see here, this is doing easily 200 to 300 orders a day, and then most recently it's just spiked up to 600 orders a day. So this product is absolutely smashing it right now. And that was the first page that I came across. That was on the first page of the beauty and health section in this, was those posture correctors. And that's how easy it is to find products. All you need to do now is run your ads, run your testing. If you check out my other video, I talk about how to run Facebook ads in 2019 and talk about campaign budget optimization, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, let's see if we can carry on, see if we can find anything else. Well, here, there's gold skin remover, another one straight away on the first page. This one obviously solves a problem, and thinking about the criteria of the winning products that we went through before, it solves a problem. It has a wow factor. These types of images and videos stop people scrolling. I mean, look at that, you get gold all over your face. That's gonna stop people scrolling down. This is £2.92, and you could probably sell this for $14.95, or $12.95, $14.95, maybe even upwards of $19.95, depending if you can narrow the audience down. So if we just take this URL and just check the product info here, just to have a look. just see. Yeah, as you can see here, this is doing 250 to 350 orders a day on average. Something you just need to consider when you're looking at this though is just because it's doing 300 orders a day doesn't necessarily mean it's winning. You need to compare that to the number of orders that it actually has. So obviously this has got almost 31,000. So if we go 31,000, it's doing what, 350? Let's say 350 a day. Divided by 31,000. If we just times that by 100, that's going to give us, yeah, so this is doing about just over 1% of the total orders per day. You really want to be looking at something around the 3% mark if you were going to go with a product. But again, this is a good product. This is working, but it could be on its way down. So obviously it's done 30,000 orders. It's only doing 1% of its total order base currently, which would suggest that it's either plateauing out or it's starting to decline. But it's still worth a go. It's still a good product. So we just go back to Aliexpress to see if we can find something in another niche just to see. So let's go with, I don't know, home and garden maybe. This Pancake Maker, I know this is a winning product. Obviously it solves a problem by separating your pancakes so you can do more than one in the pan. It catches your eye. It caught my eye straight away then. You might be able to pick this up in stores, I'm not really sure. But again, that's something, it's obviously doing well. It's got 32,000 orders there, and you could easily sell this for $12.95, $14.95, and you can pick it up for £1.73 there. So it's definitely worth having a look at. Another one here, fish scaler. This obviously solves a problem. Again, caught my eye when I was going through it. It's got almost 29,500 orders there, so people are buying this product. This just goes to show how easy it is to find products on here that could potentially be six-figure products. All these products here are selling a lot. They've got great margins, they catch your eye, and they solve a problem. So within 5 minutes, I've just given 3 or 4 potential six-figure products there. Easily. And all you need to do is just flick through this and have a look. Keep in mind when you're doing it, these 4 criteria. If you have these 4 criteria in your mind every time you're looking at a product, you're bound to find one. So hopefully that was of use to you. If it was, make sure you drop me a like on this and subscribe to the channel, because there's going to be plenty more of these videos coming along. I'm here just to try and feed this information to you, give as much value as I possibly can on this channel. The stuff I've learned over the years has really helped me and it's changed my life, so I want to try and obviously pass that back on to you guys. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you've got any questions about this video, just drop them in the comments. And as I said, make sure you check out the other video around the Facebook campaign budget optimization. I go into detail about how to run your campaigns in 2019 through Facebook ads. So yeah, hopefully that was of use. I will catch you in the next one.